One, two, one, two.
We love radio.
We absolutely do love radio, and Radio means City 1016, the UAE's number one Bollywood radio station. It's a full house. Of course, we have Yami, Gautam, Ritika. We also have Lokesh, whose show we've taken over. My name is Tia. With me, we've got Karishma, we've got Parikshit, we've got Sid, we've got Malvika, and of course, we've got Kabil coming up.
Absolutely. On the 25th of January, make sure that you book your tickets well in advance. Ritik and Yami are here. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions as to who is more Kabil in the following situations, okay? You both have to answer this, okay? So, on social media, who's more Kabil? Yami, or who's always like busy posting pictures and videos on social media?
I don't know, yeah. That you'll have to do a. I don't know.
Yeah,
What,
I think it's
we
right
equal?
now. I think
Equal?
it's equal.
Yeah, equal,
Right now
yeah.
it's equal.
Equal, huh?
Actually, yeah, it's quite
Yeah,
true because
it's
whatever
equal.
she posts, I post.
Yuri
It's all the posts are about Kabul,
Yeah.
you know, and
Okay.
all the fans, and we are having
So-
such a good time.
Equal.
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 Okay, on
Yeah.
taking selfies, who's more Kabil in taking selfies?
You
Like,
know,
who gets.
again, I think
I-
we're equal because
yeah.
you forgot only to
You know, that is something that we still have to discover.
Yeah.
We have to take a lot more selfies, which
Yeah.
reminds us, thank you. We have to take more pictures. Yes.
So we'll do that.
We'll start with Radio 1016. Bunch of selfies right now.
All right, how about on giving one shot, like one take shot?
No, that's her. That's her. Hands
That's
down.
equal.
Hands down.
Please,
It's
that's
Yami,
equal.
huh?
You know, if you have time, I will tell you a little story that
We have
I.
time.
We have all the time in the world.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
please go right
So,
ahead.
here we are shooting a very, very important scene, and it's Yami's scene. You know, this kind of new girl that we have taken. All the people on the set are very, very, on the edge. We are setting up the shot. It's a very, very important shot, a long dialogue, 1 page of a dialogue, and Yami has to sit there with me, and she has to say these lines. So, of course, we've taken the entire day.
Right.
In our minds that, one day to will go, one whole shift will go. We'll have to, really
Rehearse.
get this
Right.
this scene out well. So everyone's very quiet and very concentrated and, focused that, hum kuch kar rahe hain abhi. This is a tough, it's going to be a tough day. So everybody be on guard, Sab baithe, lighting hui. So Shuddeep also, extra effort in the lighting because, the actor should be comfortable because it's going to take time, yeah. It's a very long, very scene and all that, yeah. You have to
Yeah.
understand, yeah. Come on. So, all that setup and all happened, and I sat down. Yami came, she sat down, and we said, "Shall we rehearse?" She said, "Yeah, let's just say our lines, and then we'll." So she said, little bit, mechanical, and then she said, "Come on, let's. I think we'll take the rehearsal." You know. So I said, "Yeah, great." So because that's what we usually did in the
Yeah.
whole film. We just
Right.
took the rehearsals.
Took the rehearsals.
We shot the rehearsals, and sometimes it became a. So now first take.
Yeah.
Okay, the director says, action. And Yami starts to talk. Up till now, everybody is still very comfortable क्योंकि पहला take है यार. Only the first take, अभी second ने होगा, third होगा, fourth होगा. और सब सुन रहे हैं. Yami बोल रही है. She's went one line, second line. And then slowly, everybody got lost because she took us on a journey. She went into the depth of that fourth line. And then she came out of that and went somewhere else on the fifth line. And then the sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. And she did the whole, she had tears coming out of her eyes. And it was a really long shot. Finally, in total silence, she has completed her shot. Big pause. And then we hear, cut. And then the awkwardness. Because everybody was expecting, we all had come that day that we are going to work. Now, so they are like all full charged. और इधर एक take में cut बोल के सब हो गया. So nobody had the courage or the guts to say, yeah, we got it. Everybody, we just sat down and kept watching the shot again and again and again. Everybody is confused what to do. How has it happened so fast?
Yami.
Finally, I took a call. Finally, I turned to Sanjay. I said, Sanjay, अब बोल दो अभी that we got it. We can go home. Because I think we are all happy. It's done.
Yami, so very
on that
honestly,
note,
Oh, that's so sweet.
But you have to tell us, Yami, did Sanjay give you the script like 5 days in advance and you sat for 5 days rehearsing your lines and all that? Very honestly.
No, we all got the script months in advance.
But
bunch of
I
lines.
have to have just 2 lines to add to that.
Huh.
Just before that scene,
Huh.
हर एक actor का अपना एक they all have a self preparation before
Right.
every scene, especially for such crucial scenes.
Right.
So I also had,
Hmm.
but just 5-10 minutes before that, we were about to go to that scene. Hrithik sat me down. He sat me down very casually and he said, "So you're about to do that scene. So what are your thoughts? And so what do you think about it?" And I told him what I thought about it. But then when he started talking about what he felt about it, that he just spoke and I just heard, and that just changed something from what I had prepared or had in my mind. I said, "Ha."
This is a fresh
Okay.
perspective.
I can't
No,
wait to
she's
watch
being
this
sweet.
scene. I want to see the scene.
That's true. So it's so I know what I took away from that conversation, because that is what just gave me a different impetus to the entire thing. And so equal, yeah, please equal. It's equal.
Okay,
Sweet.
who is more Kabil on remembering names when it comes to remembering?
Yummy.
That I'll take.
So,
I'm very bad at that.
So
I
what's
lose
the
every
lady in
competition in
pink?
the world.
इनका नाम क्या
Okay.
है?
Pinky.
हमारी Pinky.
Karishma.
Not bad. Not bad. अरे, not bad. You really remember
तरुण
them.
का नाम usually लड़कियां नहीं बोलती हैं, but
नहीं, वो इसलिए मुझे उनका स्पेशली याद है क्योंकि उन्होंने कल पूरा इंटरव्यू आंखें बंद करके लिया है, मुझे देख के लिया है, because he's so off Hrithik. So
Well, more of
that's
Hrithik
the
Roshan
reason I remember his name.
and Yami Gautam. The madness continues right here on City 1016, the official radio partner for Kabil. And we're going to come back and chat some more with Yami Gautam and Hrithik Roshan, and of course about Kabil as well. Stay locked to City 1016.